Hey, internet friends, I wanted to give you a brief Melodics update. So, you know that I have been working on this for a couple weeks now. I'm about week 3, and man, I finally passed this lesson that I was working so hard to pass. So, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to record different takes or different challenges at different points in my time invested. So, like I'd said, I'm about week 3, and so I'm just going to show you the progress that I've made. I'll put a link to the other video that shows the review of Melodic, so then you can see weeks 1 and 2. But man, I'm super pumped that I got it finished and that I passed it with 3 stars. That was my goal. But I wanted to pass it along in case you're still evaluating if Melodics is working or wondering if it's working for me. It's still working. It doesn't feel like I'm doing music. I'm just playing games, but I'm finding that I'm getting a lot better. So there you go. Hope you enjoy it. I don't know if you could tell there at the end, but this thing took me, I don't know, 7 or 8 tries. I tried it over 3 different days to try to figure it out. And eventually it clicked. Eventually I learned it, and the patterns began making sense. And so I'm super excited about the progress that I've made so far. Just wanted to give you a quick update. And I also wanted to encourage you, if you're facing different things that are challenges in your creative process, in these projects that you're working on, man, hang in there, keep going. Shoot me a message in the comments. I'm happy to be an encouragement to you. If there's a particular thing that you're struggling with and you want to know, how do I crack this? Ask. Either I'll try to figure it out on my own and put a video together for you, or maybe I've already gone down this road before. But yeah, keep going and measure your progress. That's a big thing. That's even what these videos are for me. It's a measure of the progress that I'm making, so that when I'm frustrated and when I cannot get the rhythm right, I can look back on these things and say, you know what, man, where I was 3 weeks ago, it is nowhere near where I am today because of the progress I've made. So keep working and measure your progress, and you're going to get it.